Hello, welcome. If you are on this video, it means you received your essential oil samples after the virtual conference. Thank you for requesting them. Thank you for reading the ebook that I put together for you. In this quick video, I want to explain what the samples are, how you're going to use them, and what to expect over the next week or so. When I give out samples, I consider them a personal usage study. So I'm going to provide you with some education throughout the week so you know exactly what to do with them, okay? So you will have received 2 essential oil samples. They both have about 15 drops of essential oil in them. If you were a prize winner and you've got another oil, what I want you to do is reply to this email that you got today and let me know which oil so I can send you specific instructions for that. You can also Facebook message me or text me if we've been communicating back and forth. So you've got a lemon, okay, doTERRA lemon, and the one that's not labeled is Smart and Sassy, also known as Slim and Sassy. So here's how we're going to use the samples this week. Two of the primary concerns that you guys want to know most about were stress and how to handle that, as well as some cravings in your daily life. And we're all going through them right now. Citrus oils are excellent for both. So lemon essential oil is a great purifier. It's a detoxifier. It supports healthy digestion and healthy mood uplifting, stress reduction, as well as healthy respiratory function when you're using it internally. And Smart and Sassy, that is our metabolic blend that helps to boost your metabolism, improve your metabolism, help with hunger and sugar and salt cravings, balance your blood sugar, and just it's a really great essential oil to use when you're working on healthy weight management. It's not a diuretic, it's stimulant free, and it's calorie free. So it's an exceptional oil. Both of them are great oils to add to your water throughout the day. So here's how we're going to use them. You primarily are going to focus on internal use. So when you're using an essential oil from doTERRA, you want to use them in glass or stainless steel, not plastic. This little dropper at the top is much smaller than our normal bottles. So what you're going to do is hold your glass of water, or it could be something else like tea, and you're just going to tap the bottle until you see a couple little drops go in. Okay, you're going to take that internally. So I recommend that you do this throughout the day. Less is more, so a couple drops in the morning, couple drops in your afternoon water, and throughout the day, that's how you're going to do it. When you're looking at, and you can use either lemon or the Smart and Sassy, same process. If you're looking at stress reduction, what I want you to do is tap a drop or two in your hands, rub them together, and just inhale. 20 to 30 seconds. And if you remember from the webinar or the virtual conference that when I spoke, I talked about the aromatic uses of essential oil and how quickly they can affect your brain, which affects your mood and your emotion and your memory. So use the oils throughout the day aromatically when you're handling stress or overwhelm or just low mood if you're feeling low energy as well. It's a great way to perk you up. Okay, so you will also have received in here a little, we call them A to Z guides. So what you can do is just look through the beginning. It's going to explain a little bit about oils, how to use them, and then what people love most and why I give this out is because people love to go through and look at all the different health ailments. We've got back pain, we've got arthritic pain, we've got appetite suppressant, we've got hay fever, herniated discs, hot flashes. There's a whole list of things. This is a teeny tiny glimpse of what oils can do and a few different suggestions in there. The textbooks that I work with to help people find routines and protocols are much bigger, and I dive into the research as well. So that's a little bit about how you're going to use those oils. Consistency is key. Use them throughout the week. What else you can expect from me? I'm going to send you a few emails this week. I'm going to go send you some more in-depth information on lemon, some more in-depth information on Smart and Sassy. And if you've forgotten to download the ebook, I'm linking that up for you in the emails as well. If you have any questions, please reply to this email. Please reach out to me. A lot of you have actually contacted me to learn more about oils for things like sleep and pain and stress. So I'm working with you. And if this is you and you're thinking, I want to learn more about that, please feel free to connect in with me. I always do complimentary consultations. And I think that's all for now. So enjoy the oils, consistency, use them in your water, and we will get back to you later in the week with more information.